I might not be the right one, but there's something about us I want to say, 'cause there's something between us anyway. I might not be the right one, it might not be the right time, but there's something about us I've wanted to. Some kind of secret I will share with you. I need you more than anything in my life. I want you more than anything in my life. I'll miss you more than anyone in my life. I love you more than anyone in my life.
Chroma Division has attracted a large number of visitors, with many expressing curiosity and positive feedback about this testing method. According to on-site records, the top 3 praised features of the installation are the interactive models with color switching, the synergy between particle effects and algorithmic music, and the relaxed and pleasant testing environment. My friend, Mr. C, who has red-green color vision deficiency, shared after attending the exhibition. Chroma Division represents an innovation in color vision testing, both technologically and artistically. By using 3D projections and rich sound effects, it makes the test a more multisensory experience, greatly reducing the anxiety and fear often felt during such examinations.
In terms of aesthetic design, the dynamic model particles, animations, and interactions made me feel that even though I've been diagnosed with color vision deficiency, I still have self-confidence in my own aesthetic sense, just like anyone else.